It's Subprime Blogger back helping you find the best bad credit car loans in your particular state. I may go down into particular areas of a state, but at this point we're just going to do states and see where that goes and see if there's any interest. But today we're going to do Georgia. I've already done the state of Florida. So this is the FDIC website that shows all the financial institutions that have headquarters in the state of Georgia that are insured by the FDIC. And it shows the total number of assets and where they are located in which city. So this is the easiest way to find financial institutions that offer car loans or bad credit car loans. It's important to remember that most institutions will offer bad credit car loans, but that could be determined by your credit score. If you have a very low credit score, below 500, and you've missed a ton of bill payments in the recent past, you may not be able to apply for a car loan at any financial institution. But if you just consider yourself a poor to bad credit borrower, most of these financial institutions can help you. So, you got 236 options here. Not all of these options are going to offer car loans, but many will. And you don't always have to pick the biggest one. You may want to start at some of the smaller ones. You may want to go into your local area. And one way to do that is to use Google Maps. And I showed here that I just typed in Georgia car loans. And note that institutions here, some fast cash places, I wouldn't suggest those. Rather than do that, I would search a bank. So I would literally type in Atlanta banks. This is going to be much more effective than searching for just car loans. So, you're not going to be able to get anything from the Federal Reserve Bank of Atlanta, I promise you that. But SunTrust, Bank of America, Wells Fargo Bank, RBC, Fidelity, Chase, all of these are options. You may want to, zoom in even more or take out some names, whatever you want to do. But these are the financial institutions I found in the state of Georgia that offer bad credit car loans or car loans for low credit score borrowers. SunTrust Bank, which is the biggest bank in the state of Georgia, offers them, and I'll provide all these links and the information below if you're interested. Synovus Bank is another very, very large bank. They offer bad credit car loans. United Community Bank is actually a smaller community bank that's spread throughout the northern part of Georgia. And honestly, it's pretty much everywhere throughout Georgia, but they're more of a community bank. So if you like the smaller bank atmosphere, you may want to think about United Community Bank. And then an interesting one, the Brand Banking Company offers some personal loans that are car loans. Note that some companies or some banks will say, they only offer personal loans, but there's not really a big difference in a personal loan and a car loan. You're still borrowing $10,000 or $15,000 to buy a vehicle. So these are just a few options that are available. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below, and please like the video on YouTube if you find it helpful.